All right, so here we go. Breaking news: Wellness Initiative, Airborne mRNA, the has begun. All right, so this is what I think is going to happen. This is only going to affect the people that took the poison at the very beginning of everything. Now, we already know, at least I found out the other day, that the WHO and their treaty has passed. So now they can call up Hannah when they want. So what I think is going to happen, it's only going to affect the jab. It is not going to affect the ones who didn't. It is going to turn the people into kind of like zombies in a way. And I know that in Noah's time, the earth was filled with evil. So here we go with the same thing without the before the flood, but now it's before the fire. So we're looking at the earth was filled with violence. Now we know that most of the people down that are here are not like that. We're not really violent. We can get angry, sure, but not violent. Anyway, so this thing here, what they're doing, I guess it's in the States for now. I'm not sure about here, but pretty sure because they've been trailing for a long, long, long time to get you used to them doing it, right? So I think that this is going to turn the jabbies into violent people, psychotic people, zombified people. This is why they have a zombie preparedness thing, and then they have a zombie thingy preparedness thing on Amazon a long time ago. I seen it. You have a preparedness for it, and this is what they're doing. This is what's going to happen. Okay, so I don't believe that this is going to affect the jab as much as people think. They have to drive you stir crazy. I know that there was a country out there that they did that to, and they were dark skinned people. I've forgotten the name of the operation, and I've forgotten what they had done to these people for these people to turn violent. It was an operation. It was a test run to see if they could control those people, and well, they did. But anyway, yeah. So, because it does say in the Bible that and there was Christians out there. Sorry, that claimed that the pestilence was over, and by who said that? I'd like to know who said that the pestilence was over. The Bible doesn't say where the pestilence comes from. Okay, so you might want to watch what you're doing here, bro. Like, there's a lot of people that believe the rapture has a, and I'll talk about this another time, but they believe a rapture is going to occur where God takes all the believers, myself and whoever, out of this place to avoid all the stuff. That's not what it means, and I will explain that in another video, another day. Still got time, but you're not gonna believe what I'm gonna tell you. And 99.9%, if not more, Christians believe that they will come up hither, they will leave here, and they will be protected, and it's not what it says. That is not what it means either. I'll just put it that way. That's not what it means. The rapture of the church is not what you think it is. And I've already tried telling that breaker guy on YouTube. I've tried talking to Jacob Israel. I've tried telling quite a few people. No one listens. They think that Jesus Christ is gonna come down and be like, okay, boom, let's go. Psh, you're good. Nuh-uh. That's not what it means. And I'll explain it again in another video. Anyway, going back to this, yeah, we're gonna see a lot more, a whole lot more of psychotic behavior. You remember that movie? What was it? Day of the Dead or something like that, where the couple is sleeping in their bedroom and some little girl comes in and I think she like bites the guy or whatever. Similar to that, if not worse. So keep your eyes open in the States and everywhere else in the world, and I'll keep my eyes open here. Not much is going on right now, but they are dropping this crap. Like right now, where I am, it's freaking raining. It's always bloody cloudy, and with no sun, nothing grows. You get the greenhouse effect. Sure, the trees will grow because of the heat, but today it's like 6, 7 degrees. It's May. It's supposed to be like 20 or 30. It's not. So they're basically. I watched them yesterday. They go. They fly these things into the cloud, or even before then, they're releasing it and then they're going to the cloud and then they're dropping it into the cloud. So that when all these clouds gather like magnets, they drop the water, the rain, but it contains other crap. Okay? That's how they do it. That's how evil these people are. Anyway, just to let you know that is where the evil is coming from. Pestilence hasn't left. It doesn't leave on our watch because they let us out of lockdown. It doesn't work like that. And I wish people would understand that. It doesn't work like that. They let you out of lockdown because people started waking up. And unfortunately for these idiots, I'm self-employed, so I'm awake and I know a lot of stuff. But yeah, I don't have to worry about, you know, clocking in and clocking out after a couple of hours. I clock in, clock out when I want to. Peace.